Hey everybody, welcome back. Okay, so a few videos back you learned about a for loop. Well, you can actually use a for loop to create an array. Let me show you what I mean. So if we get rid of all this and we just keep our car array, we can use a method called prompt, and we can have the user input the different cars that they would like. Let's say we want them to be able to add 3 cars. We can do for, we'll do x again, equals 0. Let's just keep that a little bit tighter there. X is less than 3, because we want to do 0, 1, 2, remember, and then x plus plus, just like we would our regular for loop. Now, if we go car equals, and this is where we're going to set up for the user to be able to add this stuff, okay? We're going to use something called prompt. And then what we're going to type here is we're going to type enter or input a car model. Then we're going to put a comma and we're going to put blank quotes here. So what these would be is if we wanted a default value. We don't want there to be a default value. We want them to just be able to enter the car. So, and actually I forgot to add, we're going to put car X right here, okay? So what this is going to do is it's going to iterate through the for loop, and each time it's going to prompt them to enter a car model. And then we're going to go document.write car 0, and we'll do a line break there. We'll copy and paste that. And we'll do 1 and 2. Let's save it and run it. Let's do Mustang. Let's do Explorer, and let's do Expedition. And there it did, Mustang, Explorer, Expedition. So let's go over this again. So first of all, this is how you prompt for information from a user, is you use something called prompt. And that's what that window was that you saw pop up right here. That's a prompt window. So it won't let me cancel, so let's do Mustang there. So it did no Mustang because it at least needed 1 value. But anyway, so what we did is, now that we know that prompt, the way of prompting a user, what we did here is we created the car array just like we did before, but then we created a for loop like we did in the previous video that covered the for loop. We started x at 0. We said x is less than 3, so we only wanted to prompt 3 times since it starts at 0, so 0, 1, 2, that would be 3 times, and then x plus plus to make it go from 0 to 1 to 2. And then we just went down here, and just like we did with the other arrays when we wrote them out, we did car 0, car 1, and car 2. And of course, we added the line break there so that they were on their own lines. Okay? So, simple as that. That's how that's done. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.